Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 378th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Orange Creamsicles was one of my favorite popsicles. I used to eat them all the time when I was growing up. Where we're going to take that childhood classic and turn it into a refreshing summer dessert. We're going to make Orange Creamsicle Pie. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's so simple and easy to make. And the best part about this, no oven required. Great on a hot summer day. You can serve it at your BBQ Cookouts, fish fries, and family reunion. This will bring back memories once you taste it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my no-bake desserts recipes playlist and my previous video, strawberries and cream stuffed French toast. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your graham cracker crust, your oranges, and your cream cheese sugar, because we're about to make some orange creamsicle pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, we're going to start this recipe off by making the graham cracker crust. In my bowl, I have 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. We're going to add in a 1/4 of a cup of white sugar and 7 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. We're going to stir all these ingredients together until they're well combined. Now we're going to pour the crumbs into the pie plate. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch pie plate that I greased with cooking spray. Alright my friends, now we're going to flatten it a little bit. And using my measure cup, we're just going to flat the sides. Alright, now we're ready to put the crust in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 7 to 8 minutes. Alright my friends, I've taken my graham cracker crust out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown that is. Alright, so now we're going to let it cool completely. And while that's cooling, we can get started on the luscious orange cream filling. In my large bowl, I have 4 ounces, which is half of an 8-ounce carton of cream cheese spread that I let come to room temperature. And I'm going to cream this on medium speed until it's fluffy. Next, we're going to add in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This stuff is amazing. A 1/2 cup of frozen orange juice concentrate that I thawed. 1½ tablespoons of orange zest. And 1½ cups of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to mix all these together on medium speed until it's thickened for about 3 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what the filling looks like. Nice and thick. And off camera, I add in some orange food coloring. Alright, that looks great. That beautiful orange color. Alright, there's a couple more ingredients we're going to add to it. Our extracts. A 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla. And 2 teaspoons of pure orange. And fold all these together until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, our filling is done. I love the smell of orange. Now we're ready to pour it into our graham cracker crust. So now we're going to smooth the top. Alright, so now we're going to put our orange creamsicle pie in the freezer and we're going to let it chill overnight. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, my friends, it's the next day and our orange creamsicle pie is nice and firm. Now it's time for the final step. I have some fresh whipped cream. We're just going to pipe it around the edges. And some orange zest right on top. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Orange creamsicle pie. Doesn't that look pretty? Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnished it with some orange slices on top. Alright, now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Mmm. Ain't nothing like an orange creamsicle. It's creamy. It's refreshing. This orange creamsicle pie is marvelous. Please give this recipe a try. Y'all gonna love it. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Orange creamsicle pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.